Ka chairperson jong ka State Commission for Protection of Child's Rights jong ka Meghalaya ikong Mina Kharkangor ringkat bagi Seng Bhalang kinsali ai da ka jingtho hau Lampang ka yeng darbar thawan ka jala ban Pyrshah ya ka jingthong yu ba Julius Dorphang MLA ka Mauhati Bhalang kum Dkhot jong ka Privilege Committee namar uniu MLA menta udang dan hapo patong namar ki kam bau lasa kno bau songkha jubor ka khna ka badang khasaus nam karta ya kani ka jingtmu ban ni ajing ujor sa Lampang ka yeng darbar thawan ka dai hadien ka jing kendo ki long kame ki badan ka jing sngo kit khle ya ka imlang salang kom ka kong Agnes Kharsieng kong Angela Rangat bat kiwe de ka bala pelong hakamra trikam jong kong Mina Kharkangor.
It is a shocking reaction, you can say, because we as responsible citizens, we do not expect that such things to come out, where there is a serious allegation against legislators in our society, and if the lawmakers or the legislators they just override the sentiments of people and come out with such appointments, then where do the people in the society go? Okay, and I'm speaking not only as the chairperson of the State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, but I'm also speaking as a woman in the society, where we have children, we have young girls. So if such things comes out, so where do we go knocking for justice? Okay, so I really condemn this act, and I appeal to the Speaker of our Honorable Legislative Assembly that this thing should be looked into again. And there are other legislators who could have, whose name could have been taken, but why a person who is already, being accused of an offence under POCSO? So that is what my reaction is, and I condemn this act of the Assembly.
Kalong ko pisusi ban yu ibu usha kila thung ya ta Privilege Committee ya ubra shakno ya nong ikman shakno ulo ban bore khna ban kalong kumba iben yiki kathai khna kani ka appointment but kalong ru intimidation ma ba ka tung ka POCSO act ki Pyrshah ban intimidate penting yaki witness but yaki ya ka victim but nginum sha kum ka civil society nginum sha kum gini ki makan jaha ni ka yu kham tam phu i kan ni ka jing kan rai ni ka jing thom bori khlung khna te kum ni la da ki thung pen ban yu ni la lo ko ai award ban acha ka kin shim ni ka ai it's that ka ai ban pen ai justice ki ni ki nok sha le